gosh, let's hi everybody. It's Michael from Michael's Flower Garden with another tutorial. What to do. This is a tough vase. This could hold $300 worth of flowers. So we're going to do, when you receive your flowers from Michael's Flower Garden, you're going to have tutorials like this on what to do. So they go high, we go low. Isn't that a political statement? I'm just going to mound these. Today's lesson, I'm going to mound, because these are very big, gorgeous, heavy flowers that you got from Michael's flower field already flopping out of the vase. So I'm going to try just mounding these. I don't think I've really done this design before. I'm kind of winging it. I've done it in topiaries where you take all these sunflowers, tie them together, and drive them down into a pot for a topiary. If you don't have my books, Design Star, Flower Power, and Paris, you better get them, because all my secrets are in that book. So here we go. We're trying to get these sunflowers. Take the nice straight ones. Here's your tip. See, that one's a little bit straighter. You want this one to sit up on top. Right up there. So we're doing a little English mass design, this would be called, with these beautiful sunflowers, just forming a circle. Trying to keep them, they are very, very heavy. These weigh about 2 pounds each. Trying to get them from flopping out. So, make sure you have a good bunch of sunflowers. Michael's Flower Garden, we send flowers from our finest farms in California, shipped to your house overnight. Now see how I adjust these? I pull them out, I push them in, so they all decide to play together. From Michael's Flower Garden, finest flowers, FedEx overnight from you. Here's another nice straight one, we're gonna put that one up here. Finest flowers in California, FedEx to you, overnight, creating flowers that last 2 to 3 weeks. I've got a few hydrangeas. We could work a little hydrangea to make it truly a summer design. Summer hydrangeas. Let's see. Oh, get rid of all the leaves. The leaves suck up a lot of water on hydrangeas. We're gonna pump those out, and they gotta get them nice and low to match the rest of our design. Not a lot of stem, pretty short. By the way, short stems, flowers last longer. I never believed it until someone proved it to me. The shorter the stem, the less distance the water has to travel. That is true. So, and remove most of these leaves. Remember, the secret to long-lasting hydrangeas is alum powder, A-L-U-M. You buy it at the grocery store in the spice rack. There. We're creating our little mound of sunflowers. Some of these are too long. You gotta take them out and recut them. Alum powder. Put some alum powder in the water. Cut your hydrangeas. Put them in there for about an hour and let them drink up the alum powder. That will help your hydrangeas last. They're famous for dropping on the way to the church. There's our classic little English mound of flowers. We have a little bit of solidago. You could put a little left over from. There's our first design we did earlier in the tutorial. If you missed it, go back and watch. I'm going to add just a little solidago in there. I think I have some more over here that we didn't use. Yes. Oh, look, a little Queen Anne's lace. I always tell you, when you're a good designer, it's these last little items you add. Call it texture, call it whatever you want. That makes the design really zip. So we're going to add a little bit of solidago. Nice short stems, cleaned off. Entered in the upper deck, the lower deck, and the penthouse. See how I just funnel it through there with my 2 fingers. And maybe a little dash of, get in there. Yeah, these are tough designs. Very pretty, very summery. Nice for a table, but they're tough. These flowers want to flip out of their vases. And now a hair of, everything's got to hit the water, of Queen Anne's lace. So, Michael's Flower Garden, flowers FedEx overnight to you from the finest farms, along with tutorials on what to do with all your flowers. This is a tough one. You got big, honking sunflowers that just overpower everything. So, perfect for your table centerpiece, for your wedding, picnic, summer wedding, picnic table. You're always playing, adjusting them. MichaelsFlowerGarden.com. Flower schematics overnight. For every bouquet you order, we send another order to someone in assisted living or nursing home so they can receive flower power too. That will be on your behalf. You also get a bottle of my magic spray that you spray the surface of these flowers. That'll make your flowers last 2 weeks and longer. And voila. This is not an easy one. But you can do it. I did it. If I can do it, you can do it. michaelsflowergarden.com or flowerschool101.com. Get the box, get the tutorials, get the magic spray. The spray is it. The spray is the secret. It's my own formula. You spray it on top and it seals into moisture. Similar to the stuff I use in class, but better. So, michaelsflowergarden.com, again, flowerschool101.com. I'll see you in the fields, and pretty soon you'll be designing your own summer picnic bouquets. Bye.